Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you know the basics, let's dive deeper into troubleshooting and best maintenance practices for trailer truck diagnostic systems. Sensor calibration and replacement. Sensors wear out over time, and even the best ones drift out of accuracy. Here's how to keep them in check. Calibrate annually or as recommended. Temperature, pressure and emission sensors often need recalibration to stay precise. Use manufacturer-approved tools for this. Replace at the first sign of failure. If a sensor keeps triggering false alarms or delivers inconsistent readings, don't wait. Swap it out. Clean sensor contacts. Dirt or corrosion can interfere with signals. A quick wipe with an electrical contact cleaner solves many issues. A faulty sensor is like a misleading GPS. It'll steer your diagnostics in the wrong direction. Regular checks keep your system honest. Stick to these habits, and your diagnostic system will stay sharp, saving you from surprise repairs and keeping your truck on the road longer. Advanced diagnostic tools and their use. Modern trailer trucks rely on more than just basic sensors. Today's diagnostic tools dig deeper, catching problems before they escalate. These systems don't just report issues. They help prevent them, saving time and money. Here's how the latest tools keep trucks running smoothly. Onboard diagnostics, OBD scanners. OBD scanners plug directly into your truck's diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard. They read trouble codes stored by the ECU, translating raw data into clear insights. Here's why every fleet needs one. Quick problem detection. A scan takes seconds and reveals issues like engine misfires, emission faults, or transmission hiccups. Standardized codes. Whether it's a J1939 for heavy-duty trucks or OBD2 lighter vehicles, the codes mean the same thing across brands. Live data monitoring. Some advanced models show real-time sensor readings, like fuel pressure or exhaust temperature, while the engine runs. Without an OBD scanner, diagnosing a check engine light is like playing a guessing game. These tools eliminate the mystery, letting mechanics fix the root cause fast. Telematics systems for remote monitoring. Telematics takes diagnostics beyond the garage. These wireless systems collect data from sensors and send it to fleet managers in real time. Here's how they transform maintenance. Remote diagnostics. Get alerts for engine faults, low battery voltage, or sudden drops in fuel efficiency. No need to wait for the truck to return. Predictive maintenance. Analyze trends over time to spot wear patterns. If brake temperatures creep up over weeks, it's time to inspect them before a failure happens. GPS tracking plus diagnostics. Combine location data with engine health reports to optimize routes based on vehicle condition. Telematics turns raw data into actionable insights. Imagine getting a text when a truck's oil pressure drops during a long haul. You can reroute it to the nearest service center before the engine seizes. The right tools don't just diagnose problems, they prevent them. Up next, we'll cover how to train your team to use these systems effectively. Training and best practices for technicians. Even the best diagnostic tools are only as good as the people using them. Skilled technicians who know how to interpret data, spot trends, and act quickly can mean the difference between a minor fix and a costly roadside breakdown. Let's explore the training and habits that keep diagnostic systems working at their best. Hands-on training for diagnostic tools. Diagnostic tools evolve fast, and yesterday's knowledge won't cut it today. Technicians need hands-on practice with the latest software and hardware to stay sharp. Here's what effective training looks like. Manufacturer-led sessions. Many brands offer training on their specific systems. These cover quirks like custom error codes or hidden diagnostic menus. Simulated fault scenarios. Practice diagnosing artificial faults in a controlled environment before facing them on the road. This builds confidence and speed. Ongoing refreshers. Tools update, sensors change. Quarterly training ensures no one falls behind. Without proper training, a technician might misread a critical warning or waste hours chasing false leads. It's like handing someone a map without teaching them how to read it. Documenting and analyzing diagnostic data. The real power of diagnostics isn't just spotting problems, it's learning from them. Consistent logging and review Turn raw data into a maintenance strategy. Here's how. Centralized logs. Use fleet management software to store fault codes, repairs and sensor histories in one searchable place. Pattern tracking. Repeated low-severity warnings, like intermittent voltage drops, often hint at bigger issues brewing. Post-repair reviews. After fixing an issue, check logs for related anomalies. A turbocharger failure might have left subtle clues weeks earlier. Ignoring diagnostic data is like throwing away a weather forecast. You're driving blind into problems you could have avoided. Technicians who master these habits don't just fix trucks. They keep them running smoother for longer. Keeping your trailer truck's diagnostic systems in top shape isn't complicated. It just requires consistency. Regular software updates, sensor checks, and proper training help catch small issues before they turn into costly repairs. The best results come from staying ahead. Use diagnostic tools to monitor trends, not just react to breakdowns. A little effort now saves time, money, and headaches later. Make these habits part of your routine, and your trucks will stay on the road longer with fewer surprises. Ready to put these tips into action? Start with a simple sensor check or software update today. Your future self will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.